A scatterplot is a graph that shows the relationship between two data sets. The two sets of data are graphed like ordered pairs, and they're going to be in a coordinate plane. So here's the data that I have. This is 10 adults. These are their ages. This is how much data they used on their cell phone. And you can take these ages as X, the X-axis, data used as the Y, and graph those. Now, to save a lot of time on the graph, I went ahead and plotted these points, like 37, 3.2, would go over to 37, up to 3.2, just estimating where that would be, and I'd put the point. And I did that with all of those. Now, when you're drawing one of these, you want to just make quadrant 1. You want to count by the same number. Here, we're talking about going from a 30-year-old to a 65-year-old, so we counted by tens there. And as far as the data went, my smallest number looks like it was 0.9, and my largest number looked like it was, like, let's see, maybe 3.5 might be the largest. So I went up here counting by 0.5s. A half, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5, 4. And still, it was kind of hard to see the details. So I could have counted by something even smaller to make it look a little bit better, or had bigger graphing paper. You would want to name the x-axis as the age in years and the y-axis as the data used in gigabytes. Then they may ask you questions like, is there an outlier? Well, if I'm looking at all this data, this one over here just seems to be out of place out of the rest of them. And there will be another section where I will teach you how to find an outlier for real. But it appears to be an outlier here at this ordered pair, which was 31.8. And then this little section right here just seems to be clustered up. And you look at the X's for the clusters. So this one here is the X25, and this one here looks like the X was 37. So I have a cluster from the 25-year-olds to the 37-year-olds, and then it looks like there is a gap from here to here, just a small gap, but that is the 37-year-old to the 50-year-old.